Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows 11 computer is connected to Wi-Fi but shows a frustrating no internet secured error, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to disable proxy settings, reset your IP configuration, and forget your network to restore your internet access immediately. Let's get started. First, open your Windows search bar, type in Control Panel, and hit Enter. Select Internet Options, navigate to the Connections tab, and click on the LAN Settings button at the bottom. Ensure that the box under the Proxy Server section is completely unchecked and click OK. This step is crucial because a manually configured or misconfigured proxy server will completely block your computer from communicating with the outside web, even if your local Wi-Fi connection to the router itself is perfectly strong. If you don't see the Connections tab right away, make sure your control panel view is set to large icons or small icons instead of category to easily find the Internet Options menu. Next, open your Network Adapter properties where your Wi-Fi settings are located. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and ensure it is set to obtain an IP address automatically or dynamic IP rather than using a manual static IP. While you are on that same network properties list, scroll down and simply uncheck the box next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6. Doing this forces your computer to request a fresh, valid IP address directly from your router and stops random network conflicts caused by IPv6 routing errors that frequently trigger the No Internet warning. Finally, go to your main Windows Settings app and navigate to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Click on Manage Known Networks, find your current Wi-Fi network in the list, and click Forget. Once the network is completely deleted, simply click your Wi-Fi icon on the taskbar, select your network again, and type in the password to reconnect from scratch. If your router's password or internal settings were recently changed, Windows will often silently hold on to the outdated saved profile, which keeps the connection technically secured locally, but completely prevents actual internet access until the profile is refreshed. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.